our cut rose open house here in 2025 in Colombia, Bogota. Well, all jokes aside, because my imitation is a lot worse of a cowboy than actually the beautiful quality that we here have in the flowers. So, today we're gonna have it about all the different occasions you can use our flowers for. I'd like you to meet somebody very special, our own cowgirl and breeder for Latin America, Emily.
Hi, Bas.
Emily, what type of varieties or which varieties do we have with soft colors, vintage colors that work year round and for weddings?
Well, Bas, we have this beautiful selection right here of colours. We have Aria, Pearl, Butterhill, but our own Miss Piggy. This was bred by Dümmen Orange.
One thing we often hear about garden roses is they're beautiful, but they don't always have the productivity. Do you have a solution for that?
Yes, Bas. In fact, we have our wonderful new variety, Red Seduction. It produces very well, and it has large head sizes, producing this beautiful display of buds. Bas, you also know we have series here at Dümmen Orange?
Series? Wow! Tell me more.
We have Sweet Sensation, Sahara Sensation. We also have Bright Sensation, Golden Sensation, Valencia Sensation, and Love Sensation. Isn't it sensational?
It really is. Emily, I forgot my wife's birthday.
Oh, no.
I need flowers to make it up to her. Show me the best of the best.
Of course, we have the best of best right here. So we start with Swan, Sweet Memory, Amethysta, our new line available in Colombia, Purity. This is Momentum, Violet Hill, and Sunday.
Thanks, Emily, for saving my life.
No, you're very welcome, Bas.
And for you, if you want to stay up to date on Dümmen Orange varieties, keep on following us on Dümmen Orange Latam.